Alright, welcome to the Dyna build. Today I'll be throwing this T-Sport fairing on my base model Super Glide here, which is actually pretty easy, so let's get into that.
If your bike's like mine and it came with a top mount headlight with the brow, you'll have to pick up a bottom mount headlight bucket. You can find them for like $20 and installing them is pretty easy. I did have to solder the wires, but it was only 3, and as long as you get some on there, do some heat shrink wrap, it'll be solid.
Alright, now we gotta put this bracket on here. Loosen the bolts, slide this thing in.
Alright, I was kind of on the fence about painting this thing. I really just didn't feel like it, but I thought about how good it would look in the end, so I made some calls and got some paint mixed up for me and just knocked it out in about an hour.
Alright, it's about a week later. Got the bracket on, trying to pick up where I left off. Last thing I have to do before I can put it all together is drill a hole here for the bolt to go through to hold the headlight.
Alright, drilling the hole wasn't bad. I just used the bracket here as a guide and went underneath it. And it's pretty centered. Worked out pretty good.
Got the block on. Yeah, that's it. I think that's good. Alright, we got the fairing painted and installed. I really don't like these little brackets here that much, but I think for it being a $90 fairing, it turned out pretty good. I know a lot of people won't like the clear windshield I chose, but I've always had dark windshields on my other bikes, so thought I'd try this one out. We also got the little thrashing bags installed. I got them hard mounted, so those will be nice here. Now all I have to do is finish up the inner primary here, putting the primary back on. I have to swap some parts on it, and then we'll get out for our first ride. So thanks for watching.